Good evening, all, and I want to thank to all of my well wishers. And I am just taking some time to make some videos. Earlier, just 2 months back, I just took more than 15 classes. So from that time, I just got the keep on requesting from your side that please make some videos, and I got at least more than 500 requests from the students that I should make some record of my classes, so that whosoever will not able to join my classes, so that they can see my videos in later on. So that's my own initiative, and finally I am able to just create try to make some videos on various topics on the data science. And let's see that how much I am able to support you. And I need your kind support of all of the students, because if you people like my videos, if you think that videos is the helpful for enrich your education system, and it will whether it will help you to get the job and in your interview, so please share my channels and subscribe it. And the most important thing is that I took that initiative, and my course will be totally free of cost. That is the biggest point, because in India, if you see, only the 2% people they are doing the government sector job, and 98% people, those are not getting the job after completing the higher education of the BTech, MTech, BSc, MSc. So I just took the initiative that if someone has no money in their pocket, then how they are learning the topics, how they are able to do that. So I believe on that the money should not be barrier to increase anyone's knowledge. So that's my initiative, and anyone to everyone can join and see my videos as well, because it doesn't matter that if you want to see the Python or data science or the AI/ML course, and you should have learned the science background students, or some specific maths you should know. These all are biased things, because I am also the student of from arts background. After studying from the last 3 years, that I am just keep on studying on this topic. I believe that if anyone they are working hard on any of the particular topic, they can be successful. So right now I just want to shift my main topic and the main course, which I will be cover up those areas, which I think I already discussed in the last time as well. But right now I just make some documents on that behalf, and I just construct my topics one by one. So I have main focus on that, that I will cover the data analysis and the data science and the visualization with Python. That is the starting topic. I try to be cover up those one. And on this topic I will cover the Python basics with the Git and GitHub and the Kaggle. And about some libraries, those are the NumPy and the Pandas, I will try to cover up. And SQL will be there, and data analysis and exploratory and data analysis EDA part I will try to cover up. And the Tableau and the Power BI, those things also be covered up on my videos later on. And the most important point is that R programming essentials, that things I will also cover up on these topics. That is the first point. And the second point which I want to be focused on, that applied mathematics and statistics and probabilities for ML and AI. That is the main key features. Everyone knows that all the machine learning algorithm, those things are depending on the mathematics. So which things needs to be covered, that the linear algebra, multivariable calculus, descriptive inferential statistics, probability distributions, hypothesis testings, these things, this math will be covered on the second level or the second point of my videos. And third point, it is that the machine learning and the specialization, there are a lot of concepts are there. Those concepts already described in my documents here, that is the regression, linear and logistic, supervised classification, KNN, naive biased, SVM, decision trees, random forest, those one. Unsupervised learning part, I'll be covering the clustering and dimensional reductions and associative rules, mining and recording system, and time series forecasting, and machine learning model deployment. about my fourth deep learning specialization, that is the very key chapters and the key points nowadays, that is the in the machine learning as well, that is the neural network. And in neural network the perception concepts will be there, and all the neural network forms like CNN, ANN, RNN, LSTM, and GRU, all those things will be covered up on these chapters. And above all, the TensorFlow 2.x with the tensor board computer vision part will be completing on that, which is well known by right now in 2024, that is the CV. Most important part is there because all the international research is going on the computer visions. If you see on the automations industry, if you take the example of Tesla, they are also doing the lot of research on the liquid neural network. Those things will be help to automate the car in everywhere to anywhere they can drive self-driving car, you can say like that. Those things have the special focus, and mostly IIT research already is going on the robotics. And robotics, the computer vision is also a very key factor, so we will be specially focused on that. And right now in 2024, most of the students and common people, they are quite habituated with the ChatGPT and the Gemini. So all these are the like the generative AI module and how they are working, how the NLP is fine tuning. Those things will be covered up, so that if you know these kind of things, if you want to go for the any of the industries, if you know on the particularly field of the on these topics, that is not quite enough for that. So for that you have to be learned. I know these things, the cloud platform is that totally separate things, but as an industry, that industries people, the interviewer are expecting that as an ML engineer or the data science engineer, you should have learned the deployment part as well. So for checking on those interview questions and the parameters, we are just take the decision that we will be just covering up the AWS as well. AWS, that is the cloud platform of the Amazon. So we'll be covering up that, and finally we'll be covering on the generative AI. So everybody knows that how the GenAI and the ChatGPT and Gemini it will be work, and we will be just covering up on the deploying and fine tuning the ChatGPT and email AI. Those things will be covering up, and on the AWS we'll be covering on the SageMaker and the Google Auto ML, TensorFlow Lite. These things will be covered up on my videos. But most exciting and announcement it is there, that today I am just able to tie up with one of the guys who already passed out from the IIT, and so he will be covering on those projects of the 10 types of the projects which actually working on nowadays days. So he will be take took some 10 or more projects on data science and the ML and the computer visions and the camera systems and the medical industries. So we'll be focusing more and more on the real-time projects, so that you people can not only gain the knowledge of the topics and the theoretical part, how it is working on the industry. So you'll be going to be learn that one as well, so that you can be very much fruitful learner, and you will be able to crack the interview in your career. And after that, the most interesting thing is that yeah, after completing my videos, everyone knows me by my name is Pinaki, and I am the founder of the PyData Explorer. So my contact number is already given there. So in case any 24 into 7 I will be available on my call. In case anyone needs any help and any assistance, please let me know, and please call me. Feel free to call me. If I am not able to pick my call, I'll be get back to you. And please share my videos as much as possible, and I'll promise you guys that I'll at the end of my career, after 1 year 2 year, you can check that one, my all my videos will be completely free, because my aim is to change the whole India's education system. It is not my exposure to I am giving the adding. And you can check that after 2 years that, and try to help me out if you're liking, try to be share all my videos to most of the people, so that most of the people can get help, and they should not spend not even a single rupee on from their pocket. So if we can change, I believe that people will be helping me to reach more and more people. So that's it from my side, and thank you, and wish you all the best for your good learning and your bright career, and thank you so much.